Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today I'm going to give you some tips for writing a great product review to post on your blog. When you create your blog, it's a good idea to put a contact email address on it. Not your primary email address, create an email address just for the blog. Because what will start happening is that companies will send you requests for product reviews. Product reviews are great because everybody wins. You win because your blog gets exposure and you get free stuff. The company wins because it's a super cheap form of advertising for them. And your audience wins because they get reliable information about the product from an unbiased source. Here are some pointers for writing a product review. Get to know everything about the product. Some bloggers will review a product sight unseen, but I wouldn't recommend it. Only review products that you can get your hands on. Try out every single feature, every single option. Get pictures or video of the product in use and include them in your review. Think of the demographic that the product is aimed at. For example, if someone sends you a child's toy to review, you can and should put on your parent hat and write about things like the safety of the toy. But the best way to test it is to let a kid play with it, assuming that it is safe. Kids look at things differently to adults, and they will have something to say about that toy that wouldn't occur to you. Don't be afraid to be honest. No product is perfect, and your review will seem unrealistic if you do not point out the flaws. If you like the product, ask the company that provided it if they would be willing to send you another one that you could give away to one of your readers. And finally, if you are writing the review in exchange for the product, in other words, if you didn't pay for the product, you are obligated to state this in your review. This can be done in a footnote right below the main content, as long as it is in a place and in a format that will be easily seen by the reader. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.